When it comes to cables, Sense provides a range of cable management products. There are cable support clips, a single cable basket, a double cable basket, and an umbilical riser. Cable support clips, small or large, can be mounted directly onto the frame to support and route cables. Attaching a clip is easy. Simply place the fixed side of the clip under the beam and hinge up to secure. The single basket is used to manage a higher volume of cables. It attaches with two large cable clips that are supplied with it. First, attach the clips to the raised loop of the basket so that it fits into the recesses on the clip. Then place the hook of the clips onto the top of the beam and press down until you feel a positive engagement. The double basket is suspended between two beams using the small cable clips. Hook two clips over the top edge of the beam and press down. Position them so they line up with the larger loops of the basket before lifting the loops into the clips. Fit another two clips onto the opposite beam in the same way and then lift the basket to engage the loops in the clips. Check to make sure that the basket fits into the recesses of the clip. The small clip can also be added to both types of basket, where power and data cables need to be separated. Sense has a high-capacity umbilical riser which attaches to the frame. First, unscrew the thumb wheel and remove the cover plate. Then, snap the plastic clip over the beam. Replace the cover plate and tighten the thumb wheel. This secures the clip and ensures that it won't be accidentally dislodged from the beam. It should also be mentioned that to comply with electrical safety standards, once cables are routed up the umbilical, they must be clamped using the cover plate and thumb wheel.